Alright, so the iPhone 16 has one of the best touchscreens out there. But if you are like some users and suddenly notice that the display isn't responding at all, or maybe it feels slow, laggy, or only works in certain areas, not everywhere, well, don't worry. In this video, we're gonna suggest you some fixes that you can try to solve this issue. Now, if your screen is not responding at all whatsoever, the best solution is to force restart then and there. So for that, quickly press and release the volume up and down button and keep holding down the side button till you see the Apple logo on your screen. Sometimes this happens for some minor glitch and a forced restart instantly solves it. If there is no hardware issue, after a forced restart, your problem should be solved. Alright guys, so if your problem is if it's slow, laggy, works sometimes, not always, here and there, you know what I mean. So storage issue plays a big role in that. So open up settings, from there go to general, to iPhone storage. You can see your overall storage in here and make sure to have at least 5 or 6 gigabytes of storage left so that your apps and screen can run smoothly. And if you want, just go ahead, uninstall or delete some apps that you hardly use. And another reason for slow and laggy screen is from settings. Now we're gonna go to accessibility, scroll down for touch, to touch accommodations, and please make sure the touch accommodations option is always turned off. Because if it's even accidentally turned on, this will just mess up your touchscreen. And lastly, make sure you're always updated to the latest iOS on your iPhone 16. Hope this video could solve your touchscreen problem. Thanks for watching.